Hey guys, you got you a lawnmower that's not starting, it's just cranking but not firing? Well, this is level 2 of how to get that going after it's set for too long, like if it's set over the winter. If you want to know the 2 first easy steps, just click this link right here and you can watch them first. But if those don't work, now let's go on to actually cleaning the fuel solenoid and getting it running again. So now that this is the carburetor, and right below it say this is the fuel solenoid. This is what we're wanting to play with. To take it off, we're going to just disconnect the wire that it's hooked to. It'll just pull out, and we're going to unscrew it with a 1/2-inch wrench. So the wire's off, and how these do it, there's usually just a slot at the very top here. Now this is going to drain a little gas out, so you're going to want to make sure you catch that. So this is the fuel solenoid, and there, say this one's in good shape. I've actually replaced this one a couple years ago. This needs to be easily moved up and down. One that's wore out, it'll go in and it won't pop out. And so what you do to actually kind of get it to go is, this has a rubber top on it. We're going to take that off. Don't lose this. This is like key part number 1. So we're just going to take some WD-40, spray it on there, and then we'll kind of just work it back and forth and get things moving easy again. That. If yours is bound up, you might need some needle nose, and just go a few times. Hopefully after you do that several times and you got it where it's easily movable, we're going to put it back on. So we've cleaned it, we're going to put our rubber stopper back on. It just pushes on and kind of snaps in. Working pretty. Once you got it cleaned, it's going to go on the exact same way you took it off. You're simply going to screw it in, hand tight. Get your wrench, snug it down, nothing hard now. This is just snug, not wild. There you go. Once the wire's hooked on, we're going to want to wait probably 10-15 minutes at least, and say all that gas that's on it, but drained out, we want that to air dry before we go trying to start this and having sparks and all that. So let's let it air dry, and then we'll try starting it once more. Success! Hopefully this works for your lawnmower as well. If you like other videos like this, be sure and hit that subscribe button down below. Otherwise, thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you on the next one.